creating a new content website for the biggest keyword, do I try to set up the homepage as the landing page for this keyword, or would I be better off to try and rank it as an inner page, so like a .com/folder/article about the keyword?
I mean, it's a good question. A couple different, thoughts about it. If your website, think about your homepage almost like a table of contents for the rest of your website. If you're looking at a book, a technical book, you're gonna have chapters, right? You're gonna have an index of all the chapters, and then each chapter you go a different place in the book to get the answers. Website's a lot the same. The homepage is sort of the index. It's where you start at to get people to the other pages of your site, right? Maybe the services that you've got or whatever. If it's content, maybe it's the categories of content or information people are looking for. So if your entire site is about this primary keyword, if all the pages on your site are related to that topic, then sure, go after, the main primary keyword phrase on the homepage. And primarily, you're going to want to do that because the homepage is generally going to have the most inbound links. It's going to have the most people linking, inadvertently to you. So it's going to get the most juice from outside sources, generally making it more likely to get ranked. However, if you have a content site and let's say the content is about I don't know, race cars, right? And you want to talk about how speed in changing tires is the most important thing, of a race car. I have no idea, but I'm just making crap up as we go here. Well, then you really wouldn't want that on your homepage because the homepage is all about race cars, right? So everything else is going to be about race cars. Maybe it's the tires, maybe it's the engine, maybe it's the driver, maybe it's the pit crew, maybe it's the track. So those interior pages would have information about each of those little bits and pieces, right? So if you were putting it on the homepage, then again, you'd have lots of internal links to your homepage. You have lots of external links to your homepage. So it'll be easy. But if you have an interior page, you're going to have less likely have external links pointing at an interior page of your website, thereby not making it as powerful as the homepage. But if you're writing about a specific topic within your overview topic, right? So race cars are the main thing, and you're talking about, speed and changing tires on the, during race day, having a major impact or whatever, then that would probably be better served for an interior page, right? A more detailed page all about that, where you're covering all the best information about speed of tire changes and so on, and maybe cover different types of tracks, different types of tires. I know they've got different lug nuts now that they're using. So they're doing like 4 or 5. Now they're doing just one in the middle. I've seen that a little bit. I don't know much about race cars, but I do live in the South. So, I probably only if the main keyword phrase is the primary thing your entire site's about, would I kind of put it on the home page. Otherwise, I do the interior page. And how to boost the interior page's value would be definitely sharing it around the web, wherever you can, socially. Internal links from other pages of your website, especially on the homepage, because like I said, the homepage is generally the most powerful page of your site. If you're looking at something like Moz authority, page authority versus domain authority, oftentimes the page authority of the homepage will surpass the domain authority, which is every single page of the website. They all have the same domain authority, but different pages within the domain can have different page authorities. And typically the homepage have a higher page authority, making it more important in value, in essence, than, let's say, the privacy policy, the contact us page. So having links from the homepage specifically to those interior pages that you're trying to rank would be helpful. Using anchor text that matches the keyword phrase within your own website and pointing to this interior page. So if it's, speed of pit stops, if that's the thing, speed of pit stops, if that's the keyword you're going after, then having speed of pit stops as a anchor text link on the homepage would help, or other pages would help. Other related pages that may also be about pit stops that can maybe link to, hey, check out this about the speed about pit stops, linking to that using keyword phrase. And then, of course, if you are getting any kind of external links, having those point back using a similar or related keyword phrase as well can also help boost the potential for it to rank. So there's no this is the way to do it. It really has to be an idea of, is this what the book's about? If it is, then homepage. If it's just a kind of a section in the book, then separate page that you link to through your homepage and other important pages. So hopefully that helps answer that question. I think it does.